Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make sugar cookies chocolate. We'll dive straight into transforming your favorite classic sugar cookie recipe into a rich, decadent chocolate version. This simple yet effective method ensures a perfect balance of deep cocoa flavor and that signature tender sugar cookie texture. Get ready to elevate your baking skills and create truly irresistible treats that everyone will adore. It's easier than you might think to achieve this delicious twist. For our chocolate sugar cookies, high-quality unsweetened cocoa powder is key. You'll want to substitute approximately 1/4 of the total flour amount with this cocoa. For example, if your recipe calls for 2 cups of flour, use 1 1/2 cups of flour and 1/2 cup of cocoa. This ensures a deep chocolate flavor without making the cookies dry. Remember to use softened butter and fresh eggs for the best results. Proper mixing is vital for tender chocolate sugar cookies. First, cream your softened butter and sugar together until the mixture is light and fluffy, about 3 to 5 minutes. Then, gradually incorporate your dry ingredients, mixing only until just combined. Overmixing can develop too much gluten, leading to tough cookies. After mixing, wrap your dough tightly and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. This step is crucial for easy handling and preventing excessive spreading during baking. Now for the final step, baking and finishing your delicious chocolate sugar cookies. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Roll out your chilled dough to about 1/4 inch thickness and cut out your desired shapes. Bake them for 8 to 10 minutes or until the edges are just set. Let them cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring to a wire rack. A simple vanilla glaze or a dusting of powdered sugar makes a lovely finish.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.